Have you ever had that you see something and you don't know what it is and you just don't know how to search for it because you don't know what's called? Or for example, you have to translate something, but you have to type it in and you just can't type the Russian letters in with your own English keyboard. Well, actually, there is one app that can completely save you from this, so stay tuned for the end of this video. Of course, I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's get started. First of all, get your phone out and then go to the Play or App Store. Right here, just search for Lens, and after doing this, make sure you download Google Lens. This app is made by Google and it can actually use your camera to actually translate things and search for things on the internet. So let's download it and then click on open right here. Of course, you're going to need to enable your camera, so let's do that. And after doing this, you can already search for some things. So here on my desktop, you can actually see the phone, what's happening in real time, even if I close it. So right here, let's just click on open camera. And now you can actually see what I am seeing. This is pretty much my setup. So right here, for example, we have something in Russian and I'm not really sure what it says. If it says something bad, please let me know down in the description. I am not sure. So what I'm going to do is select the option translate, and after doing this I'm going to point my camera towards it. And right here you can already see what it says. You must have to love life more than the meaning of life, which is actually pretty nice quote. And right here you can see I haven't selected a language, it is detecting it for me. You can also select a specific language if you know which one it is. You can also select your own language to which one you want to translate it to, but this is pretty useful if you don't know what it means but you still want to read it. I have another great example. For example, this very cute dog, but which breed is it? So let's actually switch to my phone to search, and with search we can actually also zoom in. If you pinch your fingers, you can zoom in, and let's look at this dog. So let's press on search and I'm going to search this dog itself. So right here, it is a golden retriever, it says, and you can actually see where the image is from. Right here, we have multiple selections, just like normal Google, or if you want to do homework. I've never seen this option really. But right here, we can actually see, if you click on it, where the image comes from. So let's get back, and we can also, by the way, press on translate right below, but of course it has no text. But there's also a possibility you have the image on your phone, but you don't know what it is. So here are some awkward pictures, oh my god. Let's for example say we have this soccer player right here, and we want to know who it is. Well, actually Google has this already built in. On the left you will actually see the search icon and you can already find it. But let's say that you don't have this option. You just have to hold the image itself and then click on download. After doing this, it's going to download the file, and let's get back to the app itself, Google Lens. So right here we have the image, so let's select it, and then let's select the image right here. We also have a shortcut if you want to put it on your home screen, and right here we're going to see who it is. So his name is Denzel Dumfries. Let me know if that's true. I think it is. It's a Dutch footballer. Or yeah, soccer player, how you want to call it, but this is Europe, so deal with it. But right here we can already see who he is, and it's funny that I also see my name here, quite funny. But yeah, very easy. Google Lens works very nice if you want to search something up very quick. There's also an option called homework. Let's see. So what I wonder is, can Google Lens know what the answer is of this question? So let's click on homework, let's select it and let's zoom in, and then let's make a picture of this. What's it gonna do? Homework, let's see. We have 8 divided by 2, then it is times 2 plus 2, which is 16. Let me know down in the comments if this is actually real. I'm not really sure, but right here you can also see how to solve your problem. Well, step 1 is 8 divided by 2 is 2 plus 2. Well, no, 2 plus 2 is extra. So 8 divided by 2 is of course 4. Add the numbers. I think school has been way too long ago for me. I did nothing. But of course, there's also a new feature that's called Google to Search, but Circle to Search, but it is only available for newer devices. By the way, let me know if I should make a video about Phone Link. It is pretty useful. So Circle to Search, they actually have a sort of AI these days. It's not working, I think. So which devices have Circle to Search? So these devices right here have Circle to Search, and that's a lot more useful if you want to see something on your screen. But very easily, you can also just make a screenshot just like this, capture your screen. And after doing this, you can actually also click on share. And after clicking on share, you can actually, let's go to the right. Oh, we went too far. Lens. Let's click on lens. And after doing this, it's going to get that image. And I can also do everything that, Circle to Search can pretty much do. So I hope you found this feature very useful, because we're going to find out if it can actually find me. I don't think it really can. I'm trying to select it right here, but no, not yet. Maybe I have to smile or something. Can't it just find my Facebook? Because Soden isn't perfect, but for the rest you can find a lot of things. If you're famous, you can probably find yourself. But I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You check out our merch at thephoneisidellnl.shop. And we're going to expand this empire of making very fun, entertaining videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.